The Suzuki 36620-93J02 wiring harness is expertly designed to seamlessly integrate with Suzuki outboard motor remote control boxes, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. This wiring harness stands out with its impressive length of 22.6 feet, providing ample reach for various installation needs. Engineered for compatibility, it fits perfectly with Suzuki remote control boxes that have power trim and tilt functionalities, enhancing the overall user experience. Manufactured by SouthMarine, the product reflects a high standard of craftsmanship and reliability, making it a trusted choice among boat enthusiasts. The aftermarket OEM number 36620-93J02 assures users of its authenticity and suitability for replacing original parts. With a weight of 2,132 grams, this wiring harness is robust yet manageable, ensuring durability without compromising ease of use.